Hey everybody and welcome back to my channel. Today I have an Aldi grocery haul for you, and these are the things that we always buy at Aldi. Now let's first start with the juices. Here we have the pineapple juice, orange juice and V8 that we really like. On this side we have some peach slices, some corn and some kidney beans, followed by some black beans and some tomato sauce on top. I have one can on pinto beans, and this chunky salsa is really good. If you never had it, you should definitely try. Some Tuscan mild pepper rings and some crackers. And the kids really like these crackers. On top I have some powdered sugar and some strawberry jam. Here we have some corned beef and some barbecue Texas sauce. And this sauce, boy, this is really good. And I also bought some split peas. I had this brand before and I think they taste really good. And for the kids, we have some milk chocolate coated butter cookies and some strawberry jello. It's also really good. And this is something that we always have to buy at Aldi because we are running out of it so fast. And that's the Italian dry salami. And I bought 3 packages of it because this is really good. Then I have 2 packages of ham and 2 packages of mesquite smoked turkey breast. Here I have some sliced cheese, 3 packages, and last but not least, a brie cheese. Well, that's it for today's video. Please let me know in the comments down below if you have bought at Aldi before and what do you buy. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, comment, share and subscribe, and I hope to see you in the next video. Bye!